You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is d equals -12. Let's solve it step by step. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 18 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the d. Multiply both sides by 2. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the d into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Remove the ones. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is d equals -12.